We're at the Police Commissioner's office in Bengaluru, where a group of leaders of the Muslim community have just met the Police Commissioner in the wake of the violence that was seen in parts of Bengaluru on Tuesday evening. Maulana Masood Imran, what happened in the meeting? What was discussed?
Before what is going on, we have to think about whole things,
Yes.
because that incident is before what is happened. We discuss on background of the
Yes, okay.
First of all, I want to explain the man who Naveen, who is spread on the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For that reason, the Muslim will come in a very angry situation. After that, the people of the Muslim organization gone to the police station and they want to give the complaint from 4 hours to 8 hours
Yes, yes,
in evening.
yes.
Now, at that time, if the police take the action and this will be not happening. For the delay on FIR, for that reason the people will come on in angry position. After that 10 p.m. the violence is started.
Started at 10 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay.
After that the police will given the shoot order. 3 people will died in this incident.
Who are the people who have died? Who are the 3 people who died?
They are actually, it seems, they are innocent people. They are going back to their homes and they are actually returning from their duties. People of that type, they were killed actually, innocents. They were not at all involved in this violence at all. The violence would not have erupted had the police took the action immediately when they went to the police station and placed before the station, the police department, the situation. Things would have been in control. Unfortunately, it did not happen. We have conveyed this message to the commissioner. Had the police station people and they
KG Halli or DJ?
KG Halli.
KG Halli.
No, sorry, the DJ Halli.
Both. They both delayed in the response. Okay. There was also questions of, was it spontaneous or was it organized in some way?
Totally spontaneous, madam. There was no organization. Nothing was organized. Totally spontaneous. Actually, as Maulana said, when the talk of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam comes, then no Muslim will try to keep himself in control. This if anybody says anything wrong about the mother, he may keep quiet. The father or anything, he may keep quiet. If anything goes wrong, anything is said against our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, then everything will be violent. So people got very angry and moreover violent, and they could not get control. Nobody could control them in that position.
Have you made appeal for peace now? Have you asked for peace? What appeal
हम
have you
अपील
made?
किए हैं, जो हुआ था उसको भी हमने कंडम किया है और जो हमारे मुसलमान भाइयों ने किया है उसको भी हमने सख्ती के साथ कंडम किया है. ये हमारा मज़हब नहीं है कि इस तरह का वायलेंस करें. हम पीसफुली अपनी चीज़ को हम रख सकते थे, लेकिन हमने रखा नहीं. शायद नौजवान जज्बे में आ गए और इस तरह की हरकतें हो गई हैं. अब हम पूरे लोगों से, तमाम जमातें मिलकर अपील करते हैं कि किसी भी तरह का वायलेंस हमारे इस शहर में बर्पा ना करें, इसलिए कि हाँ, हिंदू मुसलमान सब भाई भाई बनकर जी रहे हैं. इसी फ़िज़ा के साथ हमको जीना होगा. यहाँ किसी तरह का वायलेंस आइंदा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. हम इसकी पुरजोर अपील करते हैं.
Thank you very much. An appeal for peace there from leaders of the Muslim community after meeting the Commissioner of Police, saying that if the police had acted faster, perhaps the situation may not have become as bad as it did. With Govind Murthy, Maya Sharma in Bengaluru for NDTV.